Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we explore the world, one destination at a time. In today's video, we are going to take you on a virtual tour of 10 must-visit places in North India. From snow-capped mountains to lush green valleys, from magnificent forts to serene temples, North India has it all. So, let's dive into the list and discover some of the most incredible places in this part of the country. Agra. No trip to North India is complete without visiting Agra, the city of the Taj Mahal. This stunning mausoleum, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Amritsar. Amritsar is home to the Golden Temple, the most important Sikh shrine in the world. The temple's stunning architecture, set amidst a serene lake, is a sight to behold. Jaipur. The Pink City of Jaipur is a must-visit for its impressive forts, palaces, and vibrant markets. The Amer Fort, Hawa Mahal, and City Palace are some of the most famous landmarks in the city. Rishikesh. Located in the foothills of the Himalayas, is a spiritual hub and the yoga capital of the world. The city is also famous for adventure activities like river rafting, bungee jumping, and ziplining. Varanasi, also known as Benares, is one of the oldest cities in the world and is considered the spiritual capital of India. The city's ghats, or steps leading down to the Ganges River, are a major attraction and witness to many religious ceremonies. Leh Ladakh is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. The region's snow-capped mountains, serene lakes, and stunning landscapes attract travelers from all over the world. Haridwar, located on the banks of the Ganges River, is a major pilgrimage site for Hindus. The city's Kumbh Mela, held every 12 years, is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. Dharamshala, located in the foothills of the Himalayas, is the residence of the Dalai Lama and the headquarters of the Tibetan government in exile. The city's peaceful surroundings and Buddhist monasteries make it a popular destination for spiritual seekers. Udaipur, also known as the City of Lakes, is a beautiful city with magnificent palaces, forts, and gardens. The city's Lake Palace, situated on an island in Lake Pichola, is a must-visit for its stunning architecture. Shimla. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, is a popular hill station that attracts tourists from all over India. The city's colonial-era buildings, toy train ride, and scenic views of the Himalayas make it a charming destination. And that concludes our list of 10 must-visit places in North India. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and found some inspiration for your next trip. If you have visited any of these places, do share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such travel content. Thanks for watching and happy travels.